Have you ever felt like you're starting from scratch, trying to build a new life or a new version of yourself? What if I told you that's not true? You are not starting from zero. You are starting from alignment. Long before you even became aware of it, a version of you already existed, a future you that has all the clarity, confidence, and purpose you're searching for. This isn't just wishful thinking or imagination. This is your quantum blueprint. Think of it this way. Every choice you make, every thought you repeat, and every emotion you hold sends a signal out into the universe. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you are energetically. It responds to the frequency you're broadcasting. And here's the secret. Your future self is already broadcasting a powerful, clear frequency. The real question is, are you tuned in? Your quantum blueprint isn't something you need to go out and create. It already exists as a field of potential. You know, that deep pool you sometimes feel, that inner nudge toward growth, change, or expansion. That isn't random. That's resonance. That's your future self calling you forward, inviting you to step into a higher timeline. It's a sign that you're close to syncing up with the next evolution of your life. Most people try to force change through sheer willpower and action alone. They chase results. They hustle for outcomes. And they seek external validation to feel worthy. But true, lasting transformation doesn't begin with more effort. It begins with alignment. When you're in a state, your feelings and thoughts match the version of you that already exists in the future. Your external reality begins to shift naturally, almost effortlessly. It has no other choice. So, what is energetic alignment? It means thinking from your future, not constantly reacting from your past. It means consciously choosing calm over chaos, even when things feel messy. It means embracing clarity over fear and trust over resistance, even before your circumstances have changed. This is how you collapse time. This is how you accelerate your growth in ways that feel magical. You stop fighting the current and start flowing with it. Your emotions are the most powerful guidance system you have. They are your energetic compass. When something feels heavy, draining, or just plain wrong, that's not a sign of failure. It's feedback. It's your inner being telling you, this isn't aligned with where we're going. On the other hand, when something feels expansive, peaceful, or quietly exciting, that feeling is your confirmation. That's alignment. Learn to listen to these subtle cues. Your body and your intuition always know the truth, long before your logical mind catches up. Accessing your quantum blueprint doesn't require you to be perfect. It just requires you to be present. When you can slow down, breathe, and consciously release the old stories and patterns that no longer serve you, you create space. When you stop identifying with who you used to be, with your past mistakes and limitations, a vacuum is created. And in that space, your future self can finally step closer and integrate into your now. You align by letting go of the desperate sense of urgency. You align by trusting divine timing, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly for you. You align by acting as if the next level of you is already here, becoming real. This doesn't mean pretending or being fake. It means embodying. It means speaking differently, with more certainty. It means choosing differently, from a place of self. It means treating yourself as someone who already knows their value, someone who is already living that desired reality. The universe responds instantly to these energetic shifts. The very moment you stop resisting who you are becoming, life begins to rearrange itself to meet you. The right people show up or drift away. Unexpected opportunities appear out of nowhere. Paths open up without you having to force them. It's a dance between you and the cosmos. Your future self isn't some distant, far-off destination. It's connected to you right now, in this very moment. It's connected through your thoughts, your emotions, and your energy. Your only job is to align with that frequency. Hold that vision. Feel those feelings. Live from that state of being. When you do, your reality has no choice but to follow. Because when you remember who you are truly becoming, the universe remembers how to meet you there. Thanks for watching. And if this resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.